Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Linda. How are you guys doing? Good. Thank you all my lovely subscribers, all new subscribers that are here. I'm so grateful because many of you just joined this channel. You're highly welcome to this channel, okay? I'm so grateful. May God bless you all who are there watching my videos, putting the like and the comments. God bless you all real good. Thank you for coming. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing some stuff I picked up from Lidl. Everyone knows Lidl and they're the most cheap food vendors in most countries. Their stuffs are very affordable and they keep improving their levels. You now see many stuffs apart from food, many technical things, kitchen functions, technical equipments, and all that. Whenever I go to Lidl, I keep seeing stuff like, let me try them out. If you bring them home, they will work very fine. I have many stuffs from them lasting long than many stuffs I've gotten from big shops, and after 2 months or 3 months, like the Kenwood blender I just unboxed, after 3 months it stopped working. Now let me try these stuffs and see how they're gonna work, because the ones I've been using from Lidl have been working for me. All right, now let's get into this video and see what we have here. Okay, firstly, this is a baking sheet or baking tray, and this baking tray is the different brand that I have here. Set Zinka, made in Germany. You know, Lidl is a German shop and their products are mainly made in Germany. But all the rest of the things I have here are from Crest. This is the difference. But this baking sheet, what attracted me to it, they said it's extensible. Like you can extend it to have a bigger tray when you need it, or you can reduce it into a smaller tray when you need it. So that attracted me to it. Guys, let's open it and see how that works. Okay, here is the tray. I will take this out. Is the sticker or gum they use in sticking it. That's how it extends, guys. That's how it extends. These are the two parts. Okay, that is it, guys. When you need a bigger tray, you extend this, and when you need it smaller, you still reduce it. You go forward to reduce it to the smaller size. You can extend it for using, and when you have a small space for saving it or packing it, you still reduce it. So I think it makes sense. It really makes sense. It has gradations here, like to how many centimeters you can extend it to your taste. So it's a good buy, guys. I love this tray. It's nice. Which one comes next? This, guys. This is not a kitchen stuff. The rest are all kitchen stuffs. This is a cleaning stuff. Wet and dry handheld vacuum cleaner. Not the big one you can use for your carpets and all over the floor. This one is mainly to suck the dust on your surfaces, like surfaces, table, windows, your lamp holders, your chairs. In between the chairs, when you remove the big cushion there, in those spaces that broom cannot enter, this can do the magic for you. And your edges, the edges of your wall, or when you have tiles and your tiles eventually separate from the wall, there are some things that fall inside there that you can't get easily. So this will do that magic for you. And there's a duster I have. When you have dust on your surfaces, you use them on the surface to remove the dust. Just to use them on the surface. And when you do that, all the dust will leave the surface, but they will still spread in the house, landing on other surfaces in the house. When you use this, you will just suck the dust up, suck them inside, and go and dispose them off instead of spreading them to other surfaces in the house. So guys, let's open this. I will read the manual. I will go through it. These are the two nozzles, this one and this. It has two. So I will read the manual and fix everything. It can suck liquid, it can suck dust, wet and dry. So it's very useful in the home for cleaning and all that. Alright? So I think it's a good buy. I may also show you how I use them in a video one day. We go next to this one. Yeah, I have the manual here. The other one has manual too. So this is the manual. And this thing, I have it already, but I have it only like this as a sandwich maker. Yeah, but this one is kind of upgraded. Like it has also waffle maker and a griller. Where did they draw it? Yeah, here they drew three things as what it does. So these are the components. I'll show you guys. Let's bring out the machine first. This is the main machine. Almost everybody has this because it's so useful in the house and it's handy. But as I told you, I have it, but I didn't have the waffle maker. And I was saying I would like to get a waffle maker. Now, coming to see 3-in-1 of it, so it attracted me because I have this already. This is the one I have. It has two parts. That's the sandwich maker, the normal one everyone has. Now, it came this way, the waffle maker. We'll go through the manual and read about how you do it. It also has a griller. This one, maybe when you want to grill your meat, like one person's or two people's use. It has a griller, a sandwich maker, and a waffle maker. I think it's a good buy. See? Giving you all those three in one. You would have had them separately, but you have them in one, making your space to be more useful for you. So can you see this, guys? Yeah, you can see it. It's a hand blender. I had this so many years ago in Italy. Coming here, I didn't come with mine. I have all of these things, but I didn't come with them, so I keep buying stuff. Yeah, we know how we do this one. To mix our stuff, mix our cake, mix our creams, everything mixable. This one we do that for you. And it's a hand blender, so you can use it to blend tomatoes and other foodstuffs that has water in them. You can blend them through, putting those in a deep container. This one, we have this blender here, guys. Let me see. Guys, I've been buying blenders. There's one blender I brought from Italy. That blender still works, only that it's like it has served its course. It has stayed and it needs to change, though it still works. But when I came here newly, I bought a Kenwood blender. The unboxing is still in my channel, the video. I haven't used that blender for a long time, and just said she used it to blend ice, and the blender stopped working. And what attracted me to that blender, it has the wet meal and the dry meal. So I said yes, it's a good buy, having 2-in-1 at a time. No. So I used the wet meal to blend ice in summer, and it stopped working. Even the dry meal, I couldn't use it again because the problem was from the machine. So I said, okay, since they view ice on this one, like they purposely showed us that it can blend ice, so let me take it, trusting Crest, and we'll find out how it goes. And you'll be seeing it in my videos. I'll also use them. Ooh la la, it's glass. I don't even know. Wow. Wow, it looks grand. It looks like a good quality. I didn't know it's glass. I just thought it may be all the plastic ones. It's glass. Okay, what else? This is the cover. And it's big. Like, seeing it from here, I didn't expect it to be this big. Yeah, I didn't expect it. I thought it's just a simple blender like that. But seeing the quality, man, I think it really worth it, guys. It's really worth it. Wow. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. It looks more superior live than viewing from the carton. Like, I just thought it's a plastic blender and mini something, but seeing it live, it looks good. I hope it lasts for me, really. I hope it's gonna last. I really do hope so. Up to 1,750 mils. That means it's really big. Nearly 2,000 mils. Wow, I love this blender. I didn't know it's what I got. I thought I got a plastic blender. I said, let me just take it since our own is almost going down in case any day it doesn't work again. But this looks good to me. God, I pray it lasts because all the silver Crest stuff I'm getting, they last for me. I have a deep fryer. I made a video of the unboxing. I haven't posted it for a long time. But that deep fryer saves me so much. Like, it's a good buy. And I will show that unboxing. And I will show the stuffs I've been using the deep fryer to cook. That made me to go ahead. There's all that stuff I still got from them. Okay, guys, here is another stuff I got from Lidl. I didn't do it at once with the rest. Yeah, I got this separately though. A glass top wok protector, like to protect your kitchen top when you're cooking. You place it in between, in between your workplace. When you have something hot to remove, a hot pot, you place it on it. There are two glasses inside here. So I think it's a good buy too. Let me open it and show you guys. This is one of it. The other one is just like this too. But you handle with care, you know. You really handle it with care. So when you want to make a video, you can also use it as a platter for your video. Here you will drop your stuff. Practically, here is how I'm using it in my own kitchen. I added it to the both sides of the hob. So if you have any extra pots to remove from the hob, you can place it here comfortably without affecting your work surface. So it's a protector for the work surface. So you can place stuff, do stuffs. You can even use it as a chopping board in some cases. So that's how I'm using it right now in my own kitchen. So I believe all these ones will still work for me like the ones I already got. So guys, now amongst all this I've unboxed. See where how everywhere is, never mind. You know what I've unboxed? I unboxed this. I unboxed this. My 3-in-1 toaster, sausage maker and waffle maker. I unboxed this vacuum cleaner, handheld. I unboxed the tray, extensible tray, and this blender. Now tell me the one you like most, okay? They are all really good to me and they'll serve purposes for me. So guys, thank you for watching till this moment. If you really like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel and share the video, guys. Thank you for all my newcomers in this channel. Thank you so much. I love you. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.